are suffering from bad handwriting issue, especially when computer digital gadgets have come into existence, when people started using more electronic gadgets and very less pens and pencils.
Yes.
Many people started having very very bad handwriting. I can say very very bad handwriting.
Yes.
And can we really blame them for their bad handwriting? And what could be the main reason for that bad handwritingness?
Excellent question, Malikarjun.
Thank you, sir.
We cannot blame anybody in this world for their bad writing.
Okay.
Starting from a child who is going to school now and learning writing, or the teacher who is teaching them, and some teachers themselves are not able to write well.
Okay.
The reason is the system went wrong hundreds of years ago. We got
Okay.
our English handwriting from the British. And what
Yes.
was being followed in 16th century was called as copperplate style of writing, where you got to dip and write. And
Okay.
then from copperplate style, there are also other cousins of them called like the Zanarian form, the Spencerian form. Then you have the secretary's hand. They're all to be written with a dip and write nib,
Okay.
and there are thick and thin lines and beautiful. And
Okay.
it takes a lot of time. You need a lot of patience to
Okay.
dip, drain off the excess ink and write. When it dries up again, you got to write. So from
Okay.
that copperplate style emerged what is called as cursive.
Okay.
The thick and thin lines were removed, and only the thin lines were followed, and it became cursive. And what happens to cursive when you exceed the human capacity? Now, each human being has a ability to write at a particular speed with clarity. As long as you are maintaining clarity and readability, it's well and good.
Yeah.
But today, the dictation is so fast. And
Yeah.
in examinations, it is so interesting that people are asking how many pages did you write rather
Yes.
than the content that you have written. So that forces a lot of people to exceed their own physical limits. And then you find the HMN, UVWs flattening out into
Oh.
waves. When somebody writes my dear, when they write my dear, the D looks like C and L. It looks like my
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
So lot of malformations are happening.
Okay.
And again, the reason is we are copying a shape without knowing
Okay.
how it came into existence. Our
Yeah.
cursive writing is taught in the copywriting fashion. And,
Okay.
that is where we get into a lot of issues. Don't blame anybody. And because of the digital age coming in, a lot of people got enamored by the computers and gadgets. But then the good news is today, more and more people are taking up to writing, especially the IT professionals have taken a love to writing with the dip and write nibs. More and more fountain pens are being sold today than ever before. So lot of people are getting interested. We need to give them a lot of correct information and
Yeah.
draw them into it, motivate them to continue the habit of good handwriting.
That's fantastic, sir. Thank you very much.